An update tonight to a CBS 4 investigation. For the first time, we're hearing from a former patient of a Grant County doctor under investigation. Dr. William David Moore is accused of inappropriate touching during exams and taking explicit pictures of his patients. Dr. Moore is being investigated by both the Attorney General and Indiana State Police. Earlier today, the Grant County Health Department board met to talk about the next steps in the case. CBS 4's Debbie Knox went to Grant County and heard the message from his former patients tonight.
The Grant County Health Department had to meet in a very fast executive session today to start the process of finding a new leader for this department. And they were greeted by a number of victims of Dr. Moore. A group of people, some wearing T-shirts showing their support for the patients of Dr. Moore, attended a meeting in the Grant County offices Monday afternoon. Just before the meeting started, one former patient of Dr. Moore's agreed to sit down with me and tell me what her experience had been as a patient, specifically having a breast exam.
When he would do the left side, you put your arm back, he would feel around, and then, I don't really know how to say, he would squeeze your nipple. Not once, not twice, but enough that it would wake everything there up. Like, it was very uncomfortable, and there was eye contact.
This woman has been a patient of Dr. Moore's for over 20 years. She admitted he had a good bedside manner, but for her last few appointments, she had her mother accompany her. Even then, she felt what she went through was not right.
After he would do a PAP, he would remove the speculum, and he would stand up in front of me and insert 2 fingers. And I always thought it was weird.
One young woman who was there to support her boyfriend's mother told us she wanted these women to be heard and she wants justice for them.
I think what this man has done to them is repulsive and disgusting. I don't think he should have a medical license.
Dr. Moore is not without his supporters. One woman who showed up but did not attend tonight's meeting says she has been a patient of Dr. Moore's for 18 years and feels the criticism is unfair.
He's just a very gentle man, and I trust him. I trust him a lot. I have no qualms about him at all.
The Grant County Health Department is now looking to form a partnership with a nearby county health department to cover the responsibilities Dr. Moore has left behind. Reporting from Grant County, I'm Debbie Knox.
On Thursday, the Indiana Medical Licensing Board will meet on the status of his medical license. CBS 4 will be there to follow the story. Stay up to date with any new developments in this story on our website, cbs4indy.com. Meanwhile, the Attorney General